DJT stock analysis Tuesday and onward. Am I buying? I'm covering all this in this short 1 minute video, so watch till the end. I'm very bullish, and I'm going to break down in a second exactly how I would approach this. All I'm sticking to is something that's previously given me thousands of predictions, and I've documented everything. So with DJT, this is where we are. Yeah, finally I've seen that break happening, so it's actually game on at this point. Because I'm looking at least 1 to 3, 1 to 4, at least it's like 1 to 3, this is like 1 to 4, the price should now be going lower than here. I'm going to be very aggressive with my break even, so I'm just kind of game on the right, like at this point. With DJT, I'm not sure if I have to, no, not DJT specifically, but when it was DWAC, it was crazy. For the people who know, you know, and for right now, all I can do is just still keep an eye on it and not budge under pressure. So if you want to learn how to trade full time, 40 to 70 days, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. See you in the next one.